Okay, so another video on something I've never really done before. I need to redo the seals on my windshields. I'm getting a leak in, like, right up in here. So, I mean, obviously that seal is pretty old and weathered, and so I already got all the stuff I need for it, but again, never done this before, so could go good, could go bad. We'll find out. Worst case scenario, I gotta replace the windshield. It's already got like a couple of dingers in the windshield, so it's not the end of the world if I break it. I'd rather not, but we're gonna give it a try either way. Alright, let's get going. Obviously, eventually they break. Otherwise, I mean, it's not horrible, but it's definitely, I wish I had a second person to help me with this. But, that's the way she goes. Everybody's off doing their own thing right now or at work, so kind of just stuck trying to figure it out. I'm too impatient to wait for anybody. We're supposed to be getting rain here in the next couple days. I want to get this taken care of. And I got nowhere to garage this right now, so just gotta do what we gotta do. I may be using these completely wrong, but just using common sense. Because, of course, this cheapo kit didn't come with any instructions. That wasn't bad. I just gotta get all this off. All the old fucking. And clean up the edge. And be ready to put in new stuff. Well, it did end up raining like the weather said it was going to, but seals seem to be holding up just fine. And I even put in new door seals and everything the other day, and those seem to be holding up really good. So all in all, worked out really well. Thanks for watching.